Good morning, everybody. Yes, string picking. There's no pre-market watch list for today. We didn't do it. We just start with our live streaming early. Good afternoon, John. So BMR is preparing for a squeeze. We got DLGS, the same, is preparing for a squeeze. We have two doing all right. This one not all right. AISB is preparing for a breakout. AMC and GameStop, both of them have a big resistance. We don't have a breakout yet. Let me just check if we got something here. CYN, nothing. Yeah, CYN tried to break as well from the 13 cent. We got XTIA. This one just jumped right now, but I don't like the technical. WHLR already had the breakouts. What else we got? Let me just go there to see if we got something happening or doing something good. Nope. So let us really go quick and discuss WLGS and BMR. BMR right now is number one. That might give us a kick before the market open. Let me just check here. Yeah, try to broke or break this level around the 594. So we've got a level to break for BMR, everybody. Good morning, everybody. We have BMR, WLGS, AISP, and CYN. Those three stocks or four stocks looking pretty good with GameStop and AMC. GameStop, if you just sleeping, GameStop have a huge resistance around the 32. Almost time for a blast off. Exactly, man. Exactly. Good morning. Everybody, good morning, good morning. BMR is preparing for a liftoff, so we have to watch BMR very closely for today. This should be the one to hunt. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Shawana is back. Shawana, the wine girl, is back. How are you doing, Shawana? Good morning, Yasir. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, CYN looking good. Zhao, how Dario from Switzerland. Good morning. Nice. We have someone from Europe. Guys, BMR is breaking out again. So BMR could give us something here. Yeah, BMR could give us something. We have AISB, nothing. CYN, nothing. WLGS. So BMR is the one to watch at the moment. We might have a breakout for it. Okay, BMR, guys. BMR is kind of breaking out for now. We might have action right now for BMR. Let me just check again. We have 30 seconds for BMR to squeeze up. Yeah, we might have a nice jump right now for BMR. Yeah, BMR looking good, guys. The only one that started to do something is better than WLGS and CYN. The only one that have some action right now, BMR, guys. BMR, we might have the 660 for now. Let's see. Okay, we'll check AMC in a bit. In the time being, we have to watch BMR for the 660. Let us check if we're gonna have a pullback. I'm gonna adjust this support a bit of there. We have another support to hold over the 560. BMR is pumping up, guys. Pump it up. Pump it up. Okay. We have a support for this one over the 560. I'm gonna adjust the level of resistance. Yeah. Guys, BMR is moving. BMR finally is have a launch. The rocket is launching up. The rocket is launching. BMR, we have support to hold over the 560. We've got a resistance or profit taken around the 659. The only stock that is moving, guys, the rest is sleeping. AMC, we have support over the 5. Short seller is still shorting AMC because we didn't break the 593. This is where the short seller have to cover, and we're gonna have another squeeze. But we are a bit far. For GameStop, on the other hand, is really near, around 32. We have double top here. Price pulling back for both of them, guys. GameStop and AMC pulling back. BMR, guys, the only one that is jumping right now. As we said, this is the only one. BMR is squeezing up. BMR, finally, we have something juicy. Finally, we have something juicy for today. Yes, if it held over the $4, brother George, hit the like, everybody hit the like button and the way in. We're watching BMR trade. We're getting near the 659. BMR, we already discussed it today on our live streaming today, guys. It was a good hunt for BMR. We discussed it. It was sleeping here in the pre-market around this range. And now we have the breakout from the 590. So now it's getting near the 5 or the 650. The rest is still a maybe. WLGS, guys, this one could be good to break here around this resistance. The 69 or 96. 69. So in Arabic we say 96. Really interesting. Yes, in Arabic we say the 6 before the 9, but in English we say 96. But in Arabic we say 690. not 96, but 690. Interesting. In French, we say 97. Wow, it's really complicated. 40, 17. 80, ouais. Ah, 80 is 40, 20. 40, 20, 20, 16. This is in French. More complicated than even Arabic. Yes. So, we watching BMR is about to have a nice kick up at the market open. GameStop and AMC is pulling back. We got a lot of people asking about AMC and GameStop if we're gonna have a launch. This is depends on the holding the supports. PEGY have reverse split 1 to 15. Everybody today reverse split 1 to 15. Apple, guys, we have a huge news for Apple. That's why Apple is jumping, because we have news of AI for Apple. Yesterday jumped 7% and hit the all-time high over the $200. What a huge jump. GM is still pumping. Palantir did all right and is still pumping, as we said. As long as we hold the 22, we are good to go, guys, for Palantir. We already did a swing trade for Palantir before. We did Mara, we did Palantir. As you can see here, guys, we said the 22.18 is really good. As long as we hold, we're going to have another kick up. And that's why Palantir is still doing all right. Yesterday, market was red, but Palantir almost 3%, so it's not bad. So what's gonna be, guys? GameStop, what's gonna be for today market? Are we gonna have a green or not? Let's get right to it. Who's ready for today market, guys? Who's ready? I'm ready if you are ready. I'm always ready. AISP, nothing much. CYN, WLGC, we have BMR is pulling back. So guys, BMR is still looking good as long as we hold the 563. During the market open, we might have a pullback. This is normal. Let me just even adjust this support. Oh man, if we held here, it would be even better over the 597. BMR 40%. We expect a nice launch until the 659 at least. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. We're gonna have a huge day for today. Mara was a really good dip yesterday, someone said. Let me just check. Let me just check. Yeah, not that big dip. Coinbase just have a really good dip here. Yeah, we dipped 9% and we reverse 9%. PRST is breaking the trend here. So BMR is still holding. WLGS not good. So I'm gonna put CYN before or yes, sir. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna narrow it down or less even further. Yes, I'm gonna check the other ones. CRKN, Lucy, the Juicy. So Lucy could be good at the market open, so I'm gonna put it down. Wow, Reddit, we have some reaction from Reddit, guys. Whoa, Reddit looking good. I'm gonna put it down with Lucy. And VNDA looking pretty good as well. I'm gonna put it down. FFIE, nothing much. And VS, it might be good for VS trade, guys. I have some feeling for this one could squeeze. So we have those stocks. I'm gonna add them down. Like I see my list, guys, as like uncooked meals, guys. Those old uncooked meal or the cake that you need to put it in the oven, and once they be cooked, I'm gonna put them here to serve you guys. This is what I see in my list. Lawrence, thank you, brother. Wish you the good day. Wish you all the good stuff and positivity and uh, you know what I mean, man. You know what I mean. Sometimes you don't have to use words, you know, you just use your energy to wish people a good luck or a good day. We have to focus, guys. We have many, if you asking about stocks like ASTS and things like this. Yeah, ASTS looking for a squeeze after we break the 1023. So yeah, it's not bad, brother. ASTS, not bad. It could be good trade, but it's still low on volume for today. So that's why we have to watch BMR. CYN have a good news. IE, someone asked about this even yesterday for IE. We saw it, but we don't like the technical. This is really light on volume for today. So yeah, CYN looking ready for a squeeze, guys, after we break the 13. 13 cents should be the squeeze zone with BMR already pumped from the 596. Yeah, it's flashing now. Because the market is about to open, we have a big seller for BMR. So I'm gonna put a support down just in case. We have to have big range for that one. We have a seller for BMR, but I'm gonna give it some chance to reverse on the 560. CYN is going slowly toward the resistance. So there's a big chance for this one to do something here. AMC and GameStop is pulling back. So we have anticipation mode before the market open, everybody. Anticipation mode for GameStop and AMC. Yes. Musk, yes. Yeah, we have a good trade yesterday for GameStop, guys. Many of our hunter already capitalized on this trade for AMC and GameStop. Yeah, GameStop, it was really good entry here. We suggest for a profit taken and resistant, as we said yesterday, 32, 32, and even we said the 30, 39. You should take your profit. And that's why the price went down after that. You see, it was great hunt, brother. Yes. Musk Mega YouTube. Yes, it was great. CYN has news with NVIDIA. CYN have news with NVIDIA. But they're planning to do reverse split, guys. Okay, guys, let us check how many minutes left on the market open because the market is about to open at any minute. So let us see. 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes left. So next Wednesday, I think will be Juneteenth. I don't know why we have this celebration exactly, but the market will be closed the next week, the same day on Wednesday, on the 19th of June. However, let us discuss our disclaimer, guys. Remember, we are not financial advisors, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line, and let us hunt for today, guys, markets. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in to support the channel. This is the least you can do, guys, to support the channel is by liking, commenting, sharing our live streaming to spread the word, because we always discuss the market, where to enter and where to exit to minimize your risk and loss and maximize your gain. So guys, hit the like, and of course, let's hit the market because the market is open in just 2 minutes. And as we said yesterday, we discussed GameStop reversal, and we won our hunter for exiting around this orange box. Again, if you want to join us, guys, the link I just put it right now on the live chat section. If you want to join our community in Bitcoin and Discord to get warned every second about the market, about GameStop, AMC, when to exit, when to enter, to save yourself from a big drawdown in the market, because the market is like a wave going up and down. We should know when to serve it. BMR is still good, brother, still good, because we're still holding the 560. We've got a big seller just came below the 659. That's why we have a struggle to go higher. CYN is preparing for a break from the 13 cent. AISB still not lucky or not ready. AMC and GameStop is pulling back because yesterday we did 22% for GameStop. GameStop, as we said, guys, the 32 is the level to break for today. Hit the like and let's start our live streaming. We got a few minutes left, guys, so we have to keep our eyes closed to BMR because this could be the one. As you can see here, Apple did 7% yesterday because of AI news, guys. Huge news for AI for Apple, hitting the 200 for the first time. Guys, BMR is preparing for a pump here. We might have a pump. CYN preparing. GameStop, AMC reversing. Look at this. AMC is just testing our support, the $5. VMR, guys, preparing for a test for the 659. Guys, make sure to watch for this test right now because it will be critical. BMR is preparing for a squeeze. Okay, BMR, guys. BMR looking pretty good to test the 659. Come on, BMR is preparing for a huge test. CYN, nothing much. AISP, nothing much. GameStop, nothing much. So yeah, we've got only one stock to watch, BMR. This one was on our live streaming early today. It's almost hit our profit taking here. Yes. So it would be wise to exit with this profit because we might get rejected. around the 5 or the 659. It's getting near our resistance, guys. Anytime soon, a huge rejection might happen. So I will be extremely careful with this trade because the market the last few days is a bit weak. So I might exit, then I enter after we break the 659 because I don't trust this one that much. Yes, sir. So I'm exiting right now because we have a huge wick right now. I might enter again if we broke the 659. CYN is pulling back. This one is pulling back. GameStop is pulling back, but still holding the support. BMR is still waiting for a break from the 659. Otherwise, we'll be crashing down because we've got the big seller here, guys. Big seller. It's not leaving. And this trade, guys, we initiated earlier today in our live streaming. PEGY, yes, big news. As you can see here, guys, BMR was on our watch list, the first stock that we traded today. We said the 589 is the breakout. So that's why it was good to trade this one in the pre-market. And this live streaming was early, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Before this live streaming, guys, we always go early every day on our Discord and Bitcoin. BMR, it was good, but now still have a struggle to break. GME is still holding. AMC is still holding tightly over the 5. AISB just broke the support, so it's not good for now. So we've got just two guys, CYM and BMR, just two stocks. Hit the like button. Let's see, BMR. As we said, guys, 659, big seller. Yeah, big seller here, guys. Big seller. Support now to hold still over the 562. So as long as we hold here, we gonna make the short seller around the 659. Go pay, nice hand for BMR, and around the 545, exit around the 634. Let's see, 544 is mean you enter around the bottom, brother, and you exit around the 634. Nice, man, nice, great. 16% trade for our hunter. Go buy. GCTS looking good. GCTS. Let me just check this one. No, not me, not for me, man. So, AMC and GameStop started to reverse, guys. AMC and GameStop, they started to reverse. AMC, as we said, the 506 from even yesterday, guys. Let me just show you. We traded GameStop for this dip and AMC as well. We said the 507 is the reversal support. So those two trades, we did it yesterday, guys. Look at this. We have a nice holding up over the 507 because this is was our support. The price was here. We anticipated the pullback. And of course, we had our support still here. Okay, hit the like button on the way, and don't forget, everybody. So if this is the first time for you, we always go live every day early before this live streaming on our Discord and Patreon And of course, we discuss all the stocks like GameStop. Yesterday, we have a better entry around the 21, guys, around this reversal, and we suggest to take profit exactly around this orange box. And guess what? The price reversed for GameStop perfectly from our reversal zone and went exactly around the 32 and went down. So now we're still watching GameStop for a reversal squeeze because it's still looking good. GameStop, it's GameStop. We might have a nice jump. As you can see here, GameStop is still looking good for another jump up and is still looking good for another juicy jump up. Spiking, yes, Andres, exactly. This is why we have to be patient. GameStop looking good, guys. We discussed it from yesterday. If you just came here, we discussed it from yesterday as well. We have a lot of people talking about GME right now. Like fine wine, everybody talking about GameStop. Was the big bleeding candle. So we got many people talking about GameStop right now. But yeah, GameStop is getting near the squeeze zone here. But if we go back here, we see BMR, it's trying as well. 36%, guys. This is the top gainer for today, I think. Let me just check if we have a more. We have media, just jumped right now. Yeah, media, but the technical is shady. Yeah, the technical for this one is a bit shady. Media jumping. Yeah, now it's pulling back. DSY jumping, but again shady. We have Open, we have MREO. Tesla, finally, we have some green, guys, for Tesla. Open is doing all right. Wow. I think every stock that's jumping right now is having AI related news. Look at that. We've got Wolf. This one, I think, yeah, it jumped after the earnings. Oracle jumping as well after the bad earnings. We have a huge jump for Oracle and Plug as well. Plug because it's reversing from a huge bottom. Raven, and we have a nice breakout for Raven, guys. Oh, brother, this is interesting. AMC started to reverse. Yeah, we have a nice green candle forming. So let me just check BMR again. BMR is preparing for another pump, guys, because it's still holding the 560. So yeah, BMR is the only one for unicorn hunt for today. Of course, with AMC and GameStop. BMR, BMR, BMR. We might have something for BMR. Yeah, as long as we hold the current support, we are good to go. Yeah, BMR looking good, guys. How everybody doing? What you think about GameStop? Are we gonna have a new high before the end of this week? Before the end of this week, we might have a new high. Andres, Andres is hyped by GameStop. I think he bought the dip. I think he saw our video that we said buy the dip. The video that we did earlier, guys, for GameStop, it was at the perfect moment because after that we squeezed up. Yes, the depth was here. Guys, we have only one unicorn for today, which is BMR. 10 million worth of volume, 43%. It's getting near the squeeze zone around the 659. So today we don't have any distraction. What I mean we don't have many stocks to watch. This is good because if we have just one stock to watch, it's like you have only one pool and you have a hose of water. You want to fill the pool, so you're not distracted to fill the other pools. You just have one to fill it. So this is what we're gonna have, big volatility coming and going to BMR. But this is depends on other many factors that we can control, which is the fundamental news regarding the stock and how good the news is. Yeah, GME guys is moving. GME is moving for the squeeze of the century. GME is moving to squeeze for the century, guys. Is about to test and break the 32 level. Here we don't test the 32 on my broker, we tested the 31.80. On TradingView, we went until the 32.34. So guys, yesterday, what's the all-time high for you? Here on TradingView, I see it 32.34. On my broker, I see it around the 31.81. We already tested right now. So let me know in comment section below, guys, which target or price that you saw that GME hit yesterday. Okay, everybody is hyped right now. We have a hype market. Nice. Not bad. GME doing all right. But still, guys, we didn't break. We didn't break the 32.32, so we're not ready yet until we break the 32.32. So it's kind of risky right now, guys, because we might get rejected again. So what we gonna do, I might exit right now, then I enter once again. Let me just, I have, I think, yeah, it's a limit order. I'm gonna close it. Yeah, we might have a pullback right now, guys, because the 32.32 is the major resistance. So I might exit before we're gonna have a huge pullback. Let's see. Oh man, it's pulling back right now. So yeah, GameStop is pulling back just below the 32.32, guys. So I'm closing my trade from yesterday. Yesterday we have a really good entry from this bottom, and we suggest to exit around the 32. But today we didn't break yet. The reason is waiting until we break the 32 for a safer entry, because we have a big seller here, guys. Big seller. Wow, John said 32.34. The same, yes. So we were off just by 2 cents. BMR, nothing much. BMR, we have the test around the 659. Look at that. Look at that. Huge test and rejection. So we already tested the $6.59. Guys, if we don't break this orange line, is mean not good for today. We need to break it now for BMR. This is the only unicorn for today. The only unicorn for today. Yeah, huge seller, man. Yeah, wow, what a huge rejection for BMR, guys. Short got cut. XTR. GameStop got shorted as well, guys. 32 big seller, guys. That's why we want our hunter for exiting strategy there. CYN got shorted as well. The 13 where the short added. BMR 660, as we said, guys, this is the major seller. So now we have short seller time, guys. They shorting. For CYN, I don't suggest buy the dip here. It's kind of dangerous, man. I don't trust this support that much. I trust the resistance, the break around the resistance, but we didn't have the breakout. For the reversal for CYN, for this trade, exactly, I don't trust it. Sometimes it would be good to buy the dip, of course, but for this scenario, I don't trust this dip. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. why everybody asking about XTIA? BMR is still looking good, guys. So XTIA, string picking, you ask about this one. Oh man, it doesn't look good right now. We have double top around this level, so it's not good for now. We have a dip. We might reverse from it, brother, around the 57. But other than that, it's not good to buy right now. It's really risky because it's heavily shorted big time. We might have the 80 cent and even the 98 cents just below the $1. And that's it. But now it's looking really risky to trade. But still, I might have an entry for it if we broke the 75. For now, we might have a reversal from the 57. Target 80 and the 98. So yeah, not now. BMR is still looking good, guys. BMR is the only trade for today that looked good. The rest is not that good. Even GameStop and AMC is pulling back. That's why we closed the trade just around the 32, guys. And GameStop, we discussed it even from yesterday. So all our hunter entered around this bottom, around the 21.67. The profit taken was around the 32, guys. It was perfect entry and exit. BMR, let us watch a BMR because it's the only one that looked good right now, guys. Yes, Apple went like a rocket. Not today, but yesterday. Oh man, 3% again. Even today. It went like a rocket, exactly. Wow, CCL is reversing again. What's going on, guys? SoFi, Plug. We have a big jump for mini stocks. Square as well, jumping. Raven, Tesla. Okay, so we have a really good green day today. Not bad for today. Okay, BMR looking pretty good for a squeeze here. XTIA got shorted big time, guys. Let's see if we got halted stock for today. Are we having halted stock? BNAD halted, I think, because reverse split news. So yeah, there is no many stocks got halted, but BMR is still looking good, guys. Sound brother. Wait a second. Let me just check the sound. Let me just. The sound is good. String picking, what you talking about, man? Are you there? You just refresh the live streaming, brother, because the sound is good, I think. I'm here. Nazim, that he said the sound is good, so string picking, just refresh the live streaming. I think the problem is from your side. Theodore, about the GME, brother, GME, it was really perfect buy yesterday from this chart. I don't know if you saw it. It was good, and it was good to exit on the market open because we don't break the 32. So right now, we still anticipation. It's not good to enter because we don't break the 32. John asked about hologram. Let us check hologram for John. John, nothing much for hologram. Nothing much is dipping, it's dipping, it's dipping. The support is not strong, so hologram doesn't look good for now. Yes, it doesn't look good. Yeah, technically it is not good for now to trade. We need to break around the $2.36 to have some squeeze. For now is not good for trade, everybody. It's really risky. So we have to break the 230 first. BMR, going back to BMR because this one could squeeze for today. The only one, guys, there is nothing else. No sound is not good. Normal. Yo, guys, some people said that they can't hear us, but string breaking just fixed the problem by refreshing 3 times. Anyway, guys, BMR is about to break. BMR is about to break. As we said, this is the only one that looked good today. Okay, the sound is good for everybody. Great. BMR is on the verge of breaking. Yeah, BMR is breaking out, guys. BMR have a new high. Let's see if we're gonna continue toward the 695. Guys, this is the only one that have potential for today, BMR. The rest is not that good. We check the market, but the market is dead today. Not for Nvidia, not for Apple, guys. Any stock, blue chip company have AI news, they jumping like crazy. But we talking about the unicorn, guys. Unicorn. When we say unicorn, is means stock that have major news jumping in just one day over 50% and have huge volume. So BMR is one of them. And of course, pretty cheap, like under $10. Okay, we didn't close yet. Sneaky, sneaky short sellers. They came again around the 659. So yeah, we have to have a 1 minute candle close over the orange line first. Show support. Good morning, guys. I've been trading Apple. Yes, IK. I think everybody trading Apple today is the easiest trade, to be honest with you guys. Easy, straightforward trade for Apple. Look at that. Market open. Everybody FOMOing for buying Apple because it's going toward the 215 for the first time. Nvidia, the same, guys. We have a breakout. It's going to all-time high as well. For Amazon, the same. Yeah, Apple trade is kind of is like an exam in the elementary school. You go to elementary school and someone told you 1 + 1 equal what, and you say 2, and you're gonna win. The same for Apple trade. Is kind of take an exam in elementary school while you are like already finished college degree. So it's really simple, straightforward. There is no surprises for Apple trade. But the surprise will come after the FOMO kick in for the stock. GameStop is still okay, guys. GameStop is still on. We don't have a flush yet. Okay, XT is not good, guys. We have a pump and dump for this one. AISB, I'm gonna take it from the list because it doesn't look good for now. For Lucy is sleeping, so I'm gonna take it from the list. Reddit and VS not ready for today pump. Okay, so we have really narrow list right now. BMR, CYN, AMC, and GameStop. BMR is the only one that could give us some action. For now, nothing much. Okay, fade the trade. XTIA, it's not good. PGY, brother news, I think we have reverse split. MICS, don't like the trend. WLGS, it was good in pre-market pump and dump. KITT wasn't that good. Thank you, brother. Fade the trade to keep everybody updated about the unicorn. Fade again. Thank you for warning and updating everybody about CMG. Bob Munster, great man to admit that you've been greedy. This is the first step, man. First step to improve or to be better person is to admit your mistakes, you know? Don't lie to yourself. Always admit. IE, you are welcome, brother. We had to check IE, but technically is low on volume, brother. I think there's no news yet for this stock. Yes, as you can see here, guys, we have a huge jump for Apple because of the news of AI. Look at this huge jump for AI for Apple, guys. The simplest trade for today, guys. Really straightforward. Almost 4%. But again, if you're trading unicorn with us today, you know that 4% is really nothing because we kind of trade the stock that jump 100% and 1000%. But yeah, 4% and 7% for Apple is too much because Apple is really sleeping for weeks and now jumped yesterday 7, today 4, so it's good. Okay, this one jumped after nice earning. Casey, AFRM, AFRM. So we got AFRM, we've got IK. Don't never say that, brother. Never say you missed a big play or you missed that. Never say that because this is will trigger the FOMO part. There's always opportunity, man. If you miss this, there's another one. But the next one, you have to be prepared. That's it. That's the only thing that you can change and you can control is what's coming in the future. Or not even in the future, but now. Because the future and the past doesn't exist, man. It only exists in our head. It's all made up. It's all made up. And I read lately a book talking about the illusion of time, and even time doesn't exist, and you can't prove it scientifically. And time is a made up thing, you know. When I read this book, I thought like I'm on weed or on mushrooms. Because if you thought about it, yes, if you thought about it, time and clocks is just made up. Like if you talk about someone, what time is in the like technical term, you can't define it, you know, you can't test it, you can't taste it, you can't catch it. So it's kind of good concept, you know, that time is made up thing and is doesn't really exist, you know. AMC is still okay. BMR is pulling back. Is not ready, guys. Is not ready. We almost make the short seller cover, but they add again their position around the 659. Abhi, nice question. Is BMR is done? Not yet, brother, because we have this bottom. So this one got shorted. We could have squeezed here. Short seller at their position, so we're not ready. This means we're gonna consolidate. We might even go toward the 522. Then we might squeeze. So this one we need to put it on the slow fire and cook it slowly. You know, when you cook food in slow fire, man, it tastes really good. So be careful. If this stock went down, is mean the food got burned and is not really good to eat. If we held here and we squeeze, is mean yes, the time for food and the food will be really good to taste if we have this kind of reaction. So yeah, either we're gonna eat or we're gonna burn the food. George, God do exist then. Yes, man. You're gonna call it God, you're gonna call it the energy, spirits, whatever. But there's someone, man. There's someone who actually came before time. Because if you go back to the Big Bang, before Big Bang, there's no time. There is no nothing, man. So how you make the Big Bang if time doesn't exist before the Big Bang. So it's mean God is timeless, you know. And the guy or the girl, or I don't know, like the being that who created the universe have to be like outside the time, you know, because if you are inside the time, you're not God. You can't be godless or eternal if you are inside the time frame, you know. It's really good to contemplate about this kind of thing. George, what you mean? You are real dude. Okay, guys. Okay, we have to wrap up our live streaming. Remember, we're gonna discuss all your question later here on our Discord. BNAD Insider bought 10 million shares June 10th. Nice, JR, thank you for this news, brother, for BNAD, because it's got halted. So we're gonna discuss BMR and GameStop and other stocks. Like yesterday, we did a really good chart to buy the dip for GameStop. It was a great hunt for everybody. Today, we're gonna do another update for GameStop and AMC for another entry, guys. So the link in comment section below or in the live chat section already been it. If you want to join us and have access to alert for GameStop and AMC and other stocks, and of course to join us tomorrow to our live streaming, early live streaming that we do daily there. So thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open to discuss the market as usual. And remember, guys, if you don't trade today, if you lost money, if you lost a good opportunity to buy the dip for GameStop, don't say I miss it. Say there's other opportunity in the market. Always have abundance. And you're gonna get whatever you want in life by having this kind of energy, okay? So never feel FOMO and never say you miss anything. Because if you miss something, you're gonna have better opportunity coming ahead. Thank you, George. Thank you. So, guys, see you tomorrow at the same time, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye.